All right, so now our subject is going to do some quiet breathing, and then she is going to cough. And just like a cough, like just something got to get out. She's breathing. Oh, just one cough, one cough.
Here.
Let's do one cough. All right, now let's take a look. All right, so this is nice. This is really nice. We can see on the top the flow. When the cough is happening, we see a very high outward flow, those spikes going downward. That is saying there's a high flow rate of air out of our subject. If you look at the volume change, however, at that exact same time on the lower graph, we see that the volume really is not all that different from a normal exhale. So take note of that. All right.